Welcome back to Know Your Bicycle. Today we will be unboxing EMotorad T-Rex. The bike comes in a carton box, 90% assembled. We need to fix the pedals, handlebar, front wheel and the saddle. EMotorad T-Rex comes with a 6061 aluminum frame which is very light and very sturdy. Let's start fixing the handlebar. Making sure the lockout suspension should be on the right side and then unscrewing those 4 nuts on the handlebar stem, and then by centering out the handlebar you can easily fix the handlebar. For fixing the front light, make sure you place the mudguard as they both go into the same groove. Let's start fixing the front wheel. In a separate box, you will find pedals and skewer. With the help of that skewer, you can easily fix the front wheel. By pressing the front brake, you can center it out and creating equal space between the rotors and the brake pads. Now it's time to fix the pedals. Make sure on the screwing end you check out the left and right duly mentioned. The left is to be screwed anti-clockwise and the right one is to be screwed clockwise. Up thing is the stand, which is very easy to fix. You'll find very nice grip on the brake levers, which adds to the aesthetics of the bike. The tires are E-MTB 26 inches tires. Multifunction backlit display gives you a riding data right in front of you. You will find internal cabling on EMotorad T-Rex, which gives long life to the brake wires and electronic cables. A 250 watt 36 volt brushless rear hub motor bundled up with 7.5 Samsung lithium-ion battery, making the ride even more enjoyable. On one charge, the bike can go up to 60 km on pedal assist and 35 to 40 km on throttle. On the left side of the battery, you will find this battery indicator and a keyhole. EMotorad T-Rex comes along with a front light which is 500 lumens of power, gives a decent wide coverage on the road. EMotorad T-Rex comes along with 7-speed Shimano gear setup, which allows you to ride the bike even when the battery is down for an effortless ride. The overall fit and finish of the bike makes it a very durable hardtail mountain bike. You'll find a scale on the seat post, which helps you in adjusting the seat according to your height. A wide and well-cushioned seat adds to the comfort of the bike. That's the key of the battery. EMotorad T-Rex comes along with Koenig 100 mm lockout suspension,